wacana supaya UN itu diadakan kembali.
Discourse on returning the UN has resurfaced after the Minister of Primary and Secondary Education Abdul Muti was inaugurated by President Prabowo. Quote from Kumpara News, Abdul Muti chose to be careful in making decisions regarding the return of the UN policy at all levels. Hello everyone! Here we will discuss about reintroduction of national exam. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. Hi, my name is Haridian Nursa Dewi, number absent 6 as a moderator.
Hi, my name is Banyuwan Grammar, absent number 8.
Hello everyone, my name is Bagas Fajar Ardianza, number absent 7.
Hello everyone, my name is Ciptaning Dinda, number absent 10.
Hello everyone, my name is Chelsea, number absent 9.
As said at the beginning, we will discuss about reappearance of national exam, or we call it UN. Abdul Muti, Minister of Primary and Secondary Education, had raised this issue at the beginning of his administration. Please feel free to respond to the issue first.
Since the national examination can serve as a uniformly distributed educational evaluation standard across Indonesian country, I support the UN to be reinstated again. The UN provides us with information on the level of learning accomplishments among children around the country, which is crucial for raising educational standards. Additionally, because there are specific goals to meet, the UN encourages students to work harder in their studies. Thank you.
It is true what you say. But the national examination has many shortcomings that have not yet been overcome. Firstly, it only measures academic ability, while education should develop many aspects such as creativity and social skill. In addition, the UN often stress students out and only focus on exam result, not on the actual learning process. Education should encourage the holistic development of student potential, not just grades.
The negative impact that is definitely seen is on SMA or SMK student, because in addition to being required to pass the national exam and only a few months later they will face an even more frightening exam, namely UTBK, which has been known for a long time that is very stressful for students. So they must be faced with preparing for both exam, not to mention the assignments given by teacher at school. Is it not too heavy if the national exam is reenacted?
So the point is, if the national exam UN will be reenacted, it's very necessary the evaluation or change policy that can be applied so that the implementation of the UN is more effective in improving the quality of education. For example, by making the UN an evaluation tool of the quality of education and the level of student, understanding of the material that has been learned, not the determinant of graduation. This can reduce pressure and stress on students and focus on improving the quality of learning, not just pursuing passing grades.
Thank you for your opinion, guys. It's interesting to see how different perspectives provide a different point of view. So we can conclude that the reintroduction national exam has a positive side as a measure of education, but there are also concerns about its impact on students. Let's continue to discuss how this policy, if implemented, can fulfill the needs of all parties.
Okay guys, thank you for watching our discussion about the UN or national exam. Thank you everyone.